Today I am going to show you how to move photos or videos to the lock folder in Google Photos and restore them step by step using your PC. Let's get started. First, I opened Google Photos in my browser. From the Google Photos interface, I selected a video file. Then in the top right corner, I clicked on the three dots to open more options. From the drop down menu, I clicked on Move to Lock folder. A confirmation pop-up appeared and I clicked on Move. Now the selected video was successfully moved to the log folder. To open the log folder, I scrolled down to the left side panel and clicked on log folder. Google asked me to verify my identity by entering my Google account password. After typing my password and clicking enter, the log folder opened. Here I could see the video that I had just moved into the logged folder. Next, I selected that video again. In the top right corner, I saw three options: move, delete permanently, and download. To restore the video, I clicked on move. A confirmation pop-up appeared and I clicked on move once again. And just like that, the video was moved back to its original location in Google Photos. This is how you can easily secure your private photos and videos using the log folder in Google Photos and restore them anytime when needed.